I am devastated by the loss of Dr. Manmohan Singh, a leader who was more than just a prime minister to me. He was a mentor, a guide, and a steady force of wisdom and integrity. As minister in his cabinet and later deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha during his tenure, and also as deputy leader of the Congress parliamentary party under his leadership, he led with quite strength, humility, focus on nation's welfare. His calm and intellectual brilliance were a source of constant inspiration. Dr. Singh's contribution to India were monumental. As a Prime Minister, he presided over a decade of economic transformation, lifting the millions out of poverty and setting the foundation for India's global economic rise. His visionary policies from liberalization to rural upliftment reshaped the country. He believed in inclusive growth and worked tirelessly to ensure that India's progress reached every citizen. India has lost a giant, and I have lost a mentor and a friend. His legacy will continue to guide us for generations. May his soul rest in peace.